Let's do some sweet potatoes. You know that's how we do it. Look at that. She hot. She getting hot. I'm gonna boil some little sweet potatoes for y'all out there. For all them country folks that love sweet potatoes. City folks love sweet potatoes too. If you don't like a sweet potato pie, something wrong. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do when you do what you do. But, just put them on. You gotta let it come to a boil. It's getting there. She working on it. How y'all been doing today? Hope all is well. Y'all be safe. Have an amazing weekend. And enjoy life. And no matter what, always put God first. Until next time, y'all be easy. I'm out.